Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the device driver errors on your Windows. So this is just a very straightforward tutorial. Now let's go quick into it. In the Windows search bar, type device manager. Click on Device Manager under the Best Match. Now maximize the Device Manager window. So here you'll find all the device drivers on your Windows, including for the audio driver, Bluetooth driver, camera driver, graphics card driver, keyboard driver, monitor driver, also for the sound, video, and game controller. So here you can find all of that. Now what you can do is you need to look for the driver which has the yellow triangle icon, and if that driver has the yellow triangle icon, that means that the device has, or the device driver has, an error. Now you just have to simply expand the list for each driver and look for that. You also have here your network drivers. Now in my case, I don't have the yellow triangle icon for my drivers. But in your case, if you can find the yellow triangle icon for that driver, then let me show you how you can fix it. Let's say, for example, this is for the camera driver. What you can do is simply make a right click and then select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now, the best drivers for your device are already installed. And after that is done, just simply make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method, if updating the driver doesn't help you fix the issue, make a right click on your driver and then you have to select Uninstall Device. Then you have to, this warning symbol or this warning window will appear. You're about to uninstall this device from your system. Then you have to click on the uninstall option. After you have clicked on the uninstall option, what you can do is you just need to simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after that, after you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows, and that is already proven. So that's it. That's how you can fix the device driver on your Windows, as easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.